So you know that ringtone? I'm sure you do. So we're here right now at SM City Cebu Northwing because they have a Nokia Newseum, right?
That's correct.
And we can see your old phones here.
Exactly, so we can see everything from the old days, but more importantly, what we've got written in store for us now with our new range of Android smartphones.
So, among the old phones, what's your favorite? Which one's your favorite?
I love the 6600. I also love the N-Gage, which we've got on display over there as well.
Oh.
You could game on that well before its time, but that was a good device. One of my favourites of all time, probably the 6230. I'm not sure how wide that was, but that was very popular in Australia.
And now, among the new ones, which one do you recommend?
7 Plus for me. I love it because the size of the screen, the 6-inch screen, plus also the 16 megapixel Zeiss front camera means I can do some great Bothies as you want to, so we can have a look and see what's in front of us in the museum, as well as we can see ourselves as well. Oh. So plenty to look at.
See, yes. So if you want to check out the old and the new Nokia models, you better come here. Where it is?
Absolutely. So we're at SM City Cebu Northwing until April the 30th.
So see you here. I learned a new term today called
Bothie.
Bothie. Yeah. Is it like a selfie for using both cameras? No.
So what you can see here is that you can see our promoter in front of us and our table, as well as you and I here in this frame.
Can this also be in video or?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Oh, nice.
So you can actually change that to video, and more importantly, you can actually then.
And imagine 2 videos running simultaneously, my reaction and while he's speaking, and I'll be doing my facial reactions.
Absolutely.
Wow.
So when we're in video mode, you can do that. So you can actually go into your dual. So you can see what we're just seeing there. And then from here, you can actually stream live to Facebook and YouTube.
Oh! Vloggers, by the way, if you're doing a lot of live ones, this one's a good one.
Absolutely. So it means
7
that
Plus.
in the future, you and I can have this.
Yes, you can have instant reactions.
Absolutely.
Yes, so people can see your reactions while the show is going there. So it's like, wow.
Yeah. If you love watching gigs, or you love cooking food,
or you like watching basketball, and then that's last shot moment with your reaction.
Exactly.
Yes. Better do that. Or you're watching beauty queens when they're announced, and then you have to.
I usually wait for the outcome. I don't just sit there and watch those ones.
Oh yes, that's one fine feature of these Nokia phones. Right
Hashtag Bothie.
Hashtag Bothie.
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 It's like both of you.
Yes. Hopefully I get Nokia later, and then
we do have a raffle.
I'm gonna do a Bothie. I'm gonna make a tons of Bothie. There's so many good news for Cebuanos now. Especially if you're a big fan of Nokia, so you have to check out the new phones. Today they announced the pricing for the Nokia 6. This is Nokia 6. It does Woofy, there's a Zeiss camera, and it's only being sold at $15,990 now. Available this May. We also have the Nokia 1 at $4,290 and Nokia 7 at $21,990, and soon they'll announce the pricing for the Nokia, the classic 8110, the banana phone. The price will be announced this coming May. So if you want a classic look, you should wait for it. Yeah, the good thing about this phone now, the updated version, it does have a camera now, and with its operating system, you can use apps like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I think will be here. So yeah, it's preloaded with apps, old classic look with newer features. And by the way, guys, I won a Nokia 1. So later I'll be unboxing this one. And I'm so excited because this is just good size. It's 4G and it has memory express covers. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. So I'll be using this phone for a bit in the next couple of days. So guys, did you ever own a Nokia phone? Because me, I had a 32, 51, several models, the 91, the 9210. Of course, Nokia has been the #1 in the Philippines for like a decade at least ago, or 2 decades ago. But hey, seeing this on display, is them on display here, it's quite nostalgic, and it's good that they're back. And guys, let me know what were your favorite Nokia models when you were growing up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you check out the Nokia Newseum here.